Hey guys, it's Pilar, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 practical ways for how to save money fast on a low income. Now, I grew up in an immigrant household where both of my parents worked minimum wage jobs. One was a housekeeper, the other was an assembly worker, and yet they were still able to buy a house as well as build up their savings account. Later on, as an adult, I also worked a low-paying salary job as a book sales representative. I always made just enough money to pay my bills, never mind trying to save money on a low paying salary job. Well, the lessons I learned from my parents are what I'm going to share with you here today. It's what helped me get me out of my rut and get me to where I am today. So take these tips. They will help you get to building your savings account fast. And these are all actionable things that you can get started on today. So one of the first things you can do for yourself is negotiate lower monthly bills. So when money is tight, you want to be able to reduce your monthly expenses or eliminate them completely. That can play a significant role in freeing up excess cash. So think about things such as recurring subscription plans that you no longer use or bills that you may unknowingly be overpaying on. Now, you may not realize this, but you can actually call up your creditors and negotiate better terms that's going to lower your monthly payments on those bills. Now, you might not know how to even start doing this, or you might not even have enough time to fit into your already busy schedule to call all your bills, call all your creditors, and negotiate these better terms. But thankfully, there are plenty of money saving apps at your disposal that will help you with this, and they will help you automate the process. Trim is one such app that offers bill negotiation features, credit card rate negotiations, and they even give you access to a financial coach to help you with a custom debt payoff plan. Additionally, when you link your bank and credit cards to Trim, the app will skim through your accounts and remind you of recurrent subscription plans. From there, you can decide whether you want to cancel them or keep them, and they will also help you set reminders for when your payments are due so you can avoid any sort of late payment fees. Now, anyone can get started with a free trial of Trim. At the end of the trial, you decide whether you want to stay on the free plan or if you want to upgrade to the premium plan. So the Trim app offers a subscription plan for their services, but if you're not keen on paying a monthly or a yearly fee for an app that helps you negotiate your bills, then you can try out BillShark. So BillShark is similar to the most part to Trim, but they charge you based on a performance-based model where you pay a fee equal to 40% of the savings that they're able to secure for you. And so you may want to look at both of them and then compare them to see which one is best for you. Way number 2 is to save money at the grocery store. So groceries have become an increasingly expensive commodity to buy these days. Prices are soaring to levels unseen of in nearly 40 years due to hyperinflation. I'm sure you're seeing this at your local store right now. It's putting more and more families in situations where they have to make tough decisions on whether to put food on the table or turn the heat on to stay warm. So these next 2 grocery savings apps will help you curb the cost of increasing food prices. The first app is Ibotta. Ibotta is a couponing app. It helps families save money on some of the most well-known grocery brand items. So if you buy Coca-Cola, Kellogg's, Kind Bars, Bumblebee Tuna, Gatorade, Snapple, tons of these different brands, then you could be saving money right now with Ibotta. The cashback savings you earn from using the app can be put right back into your pocket and into an emergency savings fund. Now, these savings can be pretty significant too. Now, I've learned tons of different Ibotta hacks, so much so that I've earned over $5,200 in cashback grocery savings to date. Now, if you want to know those different hacks, I'll place a link underneath this video so you can go ahead and check those out. Fetch is another grocery savings app that rewards you each time you snap a grocery receipt. Now, the main difference here is that Fetch will reward you on all receipts, no matter whether you take advantage of a coupon or not. Now, that's one of the main reasons I really enjoy using using the app, though the big caveat here is that cashback rewards can be redeemed for free gift cards, not actual cash like Ibotta. Now, I normally redeem my gift cards to Walmart or Whole Foods and use the free money on my next grocery shopping trip. So to date, I've earned over $2,400 in free gift cards with Fetch Rewards. Again, I've learned so many different hacks. If you want to learn about those, I did write a blog post about it, and I'll post that link underneath the video. Way number 3 is to get free money with sign-up offers. There are tons of companies that will offer you free money simply to try out their products and services. It's just one method that businesses use to attract new potential customers to them. Now, whether you decide to actually buy something from that company later on is completely up to you. And from personal experience, I found that banking and investment companies have some of the most lucrative sign-up bonus offers around. It's free money, and it's one of the best ways to quickly make money and save it for a rainy day fund. Now, here are just 4 quick examples of current bonus sign-up offers available at the time of this recording. Vado Bank. So Vado Bank is an online banking app. They have no monthly fees on your checking and your savings account, and they're currently having a $50 sign-up bonus offer when you use a special promotional link and you spend $20 within 30 days of opening an account. Nearside is another bank bonus offer. They are a free online business checking account for entrepreneurs, gig economy workers, and side hustlers. Currently, they're offering an up to $90 cash sign-up bonus to new account holders. Webull. Webull is an investment app with a comprehensive suite of products, including stocks, fractional shares, options, ETFs, and ADRs. They offer zero commission trading and smart tools for smart investing. You'll earn 3 free stocks valued up to $3,000 when you open an account and deposit any amount of money. And the Voyager app. So Voyager is a public company offering crypto investing, including over 80 plus digital assets to buy, trade, and sell. They are currently offering $25 in free Bitcoin when you open an account and trade at least $100. Way number 4 is to refinance your student loans. So when you decided to attend college and get a degree, I bet you didn't anticipate it taking you years or even decades to pay off your student loan debt. Now, if you're carrying a high interest rate or making high monthly payments on your loans, yet it's barely making a dent, then you may want to consider refinancing those student loans. When you refinance your loan debt, you're essentially trading in your old loan for a new loan, one that may very well carry a lower interest rate and where you can pay more money towards the principal and pay less in interest fees. SoFi is one such company that offers student loan refinancing, and they even go as far as guaranteeing the best rate around. If you do find a better rate than SoFi's, then they will price match it for you and give you $100 on top of that when your loan is funded. The special offer is available through the special SoFi promotional link. Another company to consider is Earnest. They offer you an instant interest rate estimate, and once you are approved, you choose from either monthly or bi-weekly loan payments. Additionally, Earnest will allow you to skip up to 1 payment per year if needed, and that's just one of the many features that they offer. Way number 5 is to increase your credit score. So how good is your credit score? If you answered not so great, then it's time to start fixing that right now. A bad credit score will cost you big time, especially when it comes to getting the best interest loan rates around, including student loan rates, home loan rates, or if you're in the market to buy a new car, then a car loan rate. Now, if you're fortunate enough to not get denied for these types of loans, then it will cost you dearly in high interest rate payments. If that's the case, then it will feel nearly impossible to save money when you're paying so much towards high interest fees. The good news is that there is a safe and effective way to rebuild your credit score fast. Check out these next 2 options to improve your credit score. The Chime Builder Credit Card. So Chime is an online banking app that also offers you a new way to build credit via their Chime Credit Builder secured Visa card. Their Visa credit card comes with no annual fees or interest. You don't need a credit check in order to apply, and there is no minimum security deposit required. card. The way the card works is that you use your own money to fund the card and you make purchases and payments up to the amount funded. That is essentially the amount of credit you have on the card. Now, if you want to learn more about the Chime Builder credit card, then go to the Chime website to find out about it. There's also the One Finance Credit Builder card. And as with the Chime Builder card, the One Finance card doesn't require a credit check in order to apply, nor do they require a minimum security deposit from you. Outside of that, the One Finance card works in an entirely different way. One Finance offers you a credit line with a low monthly interest rate of 1% per month or 12% APR, a rate considerably lower than the traditional credit card average of 19.49% APR. Your credit limit is based on the amount of your recurring direct deposits to your One Finance checking account and can increase to a maximum credit line of $10,000. If you want to learn more about the One Finance Credit Builder card, then go to the One Finance website to check it out. Way number 6 is to earn free gift cards. Now, earning free gift cards that pay for your groceries, your gas, clothing, and other essentials can really go a long way in helping you save money. So why not nab some of these free cards for yourself, right? So many phone apps today offer you free gift cards in exchange for doing surveys, watching videos online, or for simply scanning a few product barcodes at the grocery store. So the next time you're waiting around in a shopping line or sitting in a doctor's office, pull out your phone and make some money with these next apps. The first app is SwagBucks. SwagBucks is a free mobile app that will earn you free gift cards for doing simple tasks such as online surveys, playing mobile games, redeeming offers, and watching online videos, just to name a few things. The money-making app will assign you SwagBuck points for tasks that you complete. Those points can then be redeemed for free gift cards to merchants such as Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart, Groupon, Target, Uber, Visa, and tons of other cards. On the first day of downloading the app, I was able to earn $120 with SwagBucks. I'll link the video showing how I was able to do that down below underneath this video. The second app is Shopkick. Shopkick is another free app that will reward you for scanning product barcodes at stores, redeeming offers, or for simply walking into a store. Points earned on the app are given to you in Shopkick points. Earn 6,250 points and you can cash out a $25 free gift card to Starbucks, Walmart, or Amazon, or many other gift cards. And on many occasions, I've been able to earn upwards of 80 cents for simply walking into a Marshall's or a TJ Maxx store on my way to the gym. And truth be told, most times I've only had to drive by the store in order to receive my Shopkick points. Way number 7 is to use rebate sites to find the best deals. So if you're looking for gifts for your loved ones for the holidays or special events, one of my favorite money hacks is to use these rebate websites. It's one way I like to pay myself for shopping around, and it's a great way to buy awesome gifts at discounted prices. These rebate websites will offer you cashback deals on popular items and can be a significant savings when compared to paying full price on items. If you take the time to shop all year round and buy when items go on sale, then you'll be less prone to spend more money during peak holiday shopping times. Now, take a look at these next 2 cashback sites for your next shopping trip. The first one is Rakuten. So the Rakuten rebate website offers you cashback rewards at some of the most popular stores, including Macy's, Nike, Petco, Land's End, and even on business-related websites such as Canva. Deals can save you anywhere from 40% to upwards of 50% or more on popular merchants. Similarly, Mr. Rebates is another long-standing rebate website with similar cashback deals at the most popular stores. Their site does look rather dated, think 2002 internet, but nonetheless, they are a legit website. They currently offer deals at over 3,000 stores and will supply you with a daily dose of online coupons, discounts, and cashback rebates to save you money. Way number 8 is to save your spare change. Now, I'm the type of person that doesn't skip a heartbeat when it comes to picking up loose spare change from the ground, but not everyone is keen on doing this. So aside from picking up other people's loose change and saving it for yourself, yourself, you can find ways to save and invest your own spare change. Investing your money in places like the stock market is one way to passively grow your money without you having to do anything. Here are 2 apps that will save your spare change and reinvest it in the stock market for you. The first app is Acorns. Acorns is an investment app that lets you automatically invest your spare change from debit and credit card purchases when you enable it on your account. You can also decide to invest anytime for as little as $5 into a portfolio of ETFs or set up recurring investment amounts. Acorns will continuously rebalance your portfolio based on your investment and saving goals. The second app is the Robinhood Cash Card. Now, the popular investment app Robinhood recently announced a waiting list for their Robinhood Cash Card. The card will offer online debit card banking features that can be used like any other bank card. Some of the features being touted right now include earning rewards as you spend and roundup features, as well as automatically investing a percent or dollar amount of every paycheck you deposit. There are no hidden fees, such as no monthly fees, and they are also saying that they will offer cashback rewards when you spend using your Robinhood Cash Card. Way number 9 is to change your gym membership. Now, staying healthy is one way to avoid self-induced health issues that will cost you more money in doctor visits and medication. To that extent, starting an exercise regime at your local gym is a great idea, but not if you're paying a hefty price for a posh gym membership you barely use. So if you're using, for example, Equinox Fitness, that can cost you about $245 per month. At least that's the price here in the Boston area where I am based. But check out these next 2 alternative ways to stay healthy and fit while not breaking the bank. At-home workouts. So I'm not much of an at-home workout type of person, but if I were to fall back to being on a tight budget again, then I would not hesitate to do it. It costs nothing to work out in your home or in your apartment. Plus, there are tons of awesome free workouts on YouTube and Pinterest to watch and follow. Planet Fitness. If you really feel you need the gym to get your workout in, then I hear you. Personally, being at the gym helps me get into a mental state that gets me motivated to exercise. That may also be the case for you. If so, then looking into less pricey gym memberships will help you get your fix without breaking the bank. I personally use Planet Fitness and only paid $10 per month for my membership. They offer all the equipment you need to get a great workout in, plus you get free showers and free filtered water. And way number 10 is to increase your income with a side hustle. So when you have little to no money saved up, it leaves you open to falling into a financial disaster over the smallest unexpected bills. It's scary and not something I would wish on anyone. But in order to overcome this seemingly unavoidable pitfall, you have to start earning more money. And you can do that with a side hustle where you will earn extra income in addition to the money you're currently earning right now with your job. In my case, I looked for ways to make money online, which led me to flipping clearance items on Amazon for a profit. That small side hustle turned into a $1 million Amazon private label business that freed me from my 9-to-5 nearly 11 years ago. Now, if you want to learn more about that side hustle, then I will leave a link underneath a video for you to check out. Or you may want to consider a side hustle that won't cost you a dime to get started, such as affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you earn a commission for promoting products with your unique affiliate link. So for example, Amazon has an affiliate program where you can pretty much promote almost any product on Amazon's website, and you'll earn a cut of each sale that is made through your affiliate link. It won't make you rich overnight, but it will earn you extra cash that you can deposit into your savings account. Now, if you want a free training on how to get started with affiliate marketing, I'll place a link underneath this video for a free affiliate marketing bootcamp. So that's the end of the video. Hey guys, with enough discipline and using these tips mentioned in this video, you can really make some progress in your savings account. If you've enjoyed this video, please do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.